cabinet has approved a bill to repeal the 3 farm laws which triggered protests at Delhi borders by thousands of farmers. The Farm Laws Repeal Bill 2021 was approved days after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's announcement to repeal the 3 central farm laws. The new bill will now be introduced in the Lok Sabha for passage in the upcoming winter session of Parliament beginning November 21. The repeal of these 3 legislations had been one of the key demands of around 40 farmer unions protesting against these reforms for nearly a year now. The union government will move a bill which seeks to prohibit all private cryptocurrencies in India in the winter session of Parliament starting November 29. It will be called the Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021. However, it allows for certain exceptions to promote the underlying technology of cryptocurrency and its usage. The government's objective is to create a facilitative framework for the creation of the official digital currency to be issued by the Reserve Bank of India. The bill has been listed for introduction, consideration and passing in the Lok Sabha. It is among 26 new bills which are to be introduced in the Parliament session beginning November 29. India will resume operation of international flight services soon, said Rajiv Bansal, the Aviation Minister Secretary, as quoted by PTI on Wednesday. The services were suspended in March 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic. However, the government was offering few services on a case-to-case basis. Cases continue to dip even after Diwali, the worst of COVID crisis is behind India, feel experts. Several health experts have attributed the downslide to a large section of the population already exposed to the virus during the deadly second wave and a stepped-up vaccination campaign by the government. COVID cases may rise, perhaps across late December-February, but its impact will be milder than what India experienced in the second wave, when thousands died and many more were hospitalized.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.